Here we go. We are boarding right now. About to go to LA. Yo, finally on EVA airline, and we are going to be heading out to Taipei pretty soon. It's going to be 14 hours. It's going to be a long time. Watching Avatar. Yo, they missed the chili pepper. What the hell? Taipei. A little bit foggy. Finally have reached Taipei. Yo, hello. So I have quite some time to kill. So I'm gonna come shower. This is what is included. Food. So you could, I think it's buffet style, so you could, I don't know, eat as much as you want. They got some Sprite, some OJ. You get to look at all the airplanes out here and this is the toll, the pay toll to Van Vien. Here's a store in Van Vien, but not many stores open today. We're making a pit stop here, buy a few things, use the restroom. These kids are so creative. They hung some oranges up on these vines and they're playing with it, trying to poke it down. Very smart kids, very creative. Beautiful river in my cousin's village, or city, town, whatever you call it. Kids just crossing the street playing in the water like it's nothing. Blue Lagoon. Fishing. Oh, sorry, I mean swimming with the fish. Check out these guys. Cousins. 박수 먼저 박수 쳐줄게. 나와 나오고 있어. 아이 오 장난이 아닌데. 몇 분만 줄게요. 자, one, two, go. Van Blue Lagoon. It's a party up in here now. No chairs. Oh, so cute. All the kids are just sitting on the ground. The property, the school, another building over there. A field for them to, I guess, run around in. I believe that's the bathroom, maybe. All right. So this is how people drive in Vientiane. They just kind of make up their own lanes. Like this guy right here, he's just right to my left. Yeah, they just kind of made their own lane. And yeah, this is how it works here. So now waiting for the washer to finish. This is the laundromat. It's very small, but it's doable. You pay by the weight, apparently. So you come in here and people next door, this donut shop, they have the tokens, they come and put it in. Dryers. These washers are pretty cool, man. They got automatic soap suds in them. Pretty cool. Night market, Vientiane, Laos. It's legit. Check it out. Last day in Vientiane, Laos. Came to eat here. I will be going back home tonight around 8:30 p.m.
trên gió chỉ lo xin dời mu chúa gió lù lù xìa lù lỡ trên gió có nhau lù tê thang lo gió cùng lòng xìa sa thom lo tê lù xìa dù lỡ trên nhỏ trong lũ tê thầm